hi there. In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can connect Spotify to Discord. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining. So the first thing that you have to do is, of course, make sure that you already have your Discord already set up. And then once you're here, you will just have to click this gear icon, which is user settings. And then go ahead and look for connections. And then just go ahead and click that. And then once you're here, you will click view more. And then you will look for the Spotify um Spotify icon, and then after that you will just have to click on this, and then once you click on your Spotify, a Spotify login window will appear, and then you will just have to enter your credentials, and then you will just have to click agree to allow Discord to access your Spotify activity. And finally, your Spotify activity your Spotify account will appear under connected accounts, just like this. So you can either display it on your profile, or you can not display it, and then you can also display Spotify as your status, and that's basically just it. And by the way, this basically means that you will be able to show what you're listening to other people. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.